settled in my hand. I hear all the voices, are you pulling or spinning the bow? I'm weighing up my choices, standing at my tip, focused on the stop. I line it up, then I walk back. My road sure comes to a stop. Opens his legs and shouts, "Oh, come on, point it to me." I begin my run and deliver the bowl with accuracy and speed. I deliver with accuracy and speed. Now the iron ball, known as a bow, or in the north the bullet, it goes over the sop with pace. Sure, I decided that I would pull it. It goes between the legs of my supporter, the man that stood on the road. He jumped